Yeah, welcome back. We are now taking up the experiment number 3, and we talked about basic SQL union intersection except nested queries. Now let us check up with the set comparison operator. Let us work with the set comparison operator. So most of the cases when we call it a set comparison operator, we will check with the two words. One, we can call it as and, another we can assume here as an or. So assume there are two sets, A and B, then uh, we can use the four combinations. For example, and if I am going to use an AND operation, or when we are going to use an OR operation here, so AND operation takes both the conditions to be satisfied. Any one of the thing is going to be failed, so it doesn't care. It puts in a false state. Similarly, if any one of the condition is satisfied, then OR goes up and it checks only with the condition which is with the extreme cases. Both the conditions are false. Now, the set comparison operations will take up with any, or it is going to take up with or. So when we are going to work with any, then we are going to work with any and. So we get a true state, we get a false state, and we get a false state. So here we will assume all the conditions to be satisfied. All in sense both true and true. But when we are going to work with OR operation, then any of a case is true. So at this case, we will use any. That means it can be the three cases. It can be the three. Any one case is satisfied. Here we can assume that both the cases must be satisfied. So with this, we need to look it up with the queries. So find the stylers who have rating is better than some stylers called as Horatio, whose rating is better than some stylers called Horatio. So we have two Horatios, 64 and 64, 74. So we have 64 as Horatio and 74 as Horatio to content. Now the rating of Horatio 64 was 7. The rating of Horatio 74 was 9. Now we should break it into two divisions. We should break this into two divisions, and then we should make a union operation. Now let us put this here. 64 Horatio rating is 7. Now we should have Tyler greater than 7 rating. Who are those? Who are those we can bring up here. So who are greater than 7? 1, it is 8, 8 that is 31, 32. Rusty that is 58. Then we can go with Zorba that is 71. Another Horatio that is 74 because of his knife. Okay. Next one, we need to put it up 74 Horatio and his rating was 9. Now we need Siler whose rating greater than 9. Whose rating is greater than 9. So at this case, we have 1 greater than 9, that is 10, Rusty 58. Then we have the other case 10. We have the other case 10, that is 71. Okay. So now if I figure out the duplicates, now if I am going to figure out the duplicates, so in one set we have 58 and 71. Then we have 31, 32 and 74. So we should be getting 31, 32, 58, 71 and 74. So we should get 5 rows. We should get 5 rows. The reason was we should have the any operation. We should have the any operation at this case. Now, let us move to the query part at this position. So, where name is equals to Horatio, then find, or we are going to use the reserved word any here. So select S2 rating from Siler S2 where S2 name is equals to Horatio. So it is 7 and 9 rating. Okay, the rating was 7 and 9. So this was the answer. Now we have Siler IDs. We have Siler IDs, and where their rating was greater than 7 and 9. So when this is going to be taken up, we assume the parts. Example, I can say 95. This is Siler ID and Siler name. Then it goes with 3. Similarly, if I'm going to have 85 and his rating is 3. Now they don't fit up here, right? So now whether we'll compare is greater than 7 and greater than 9. So answer is no. So in this way we are going to verify. So at the end of the case, we will assume only 5 cases fits the model. Just verify it. Now we will select up the query here. move to the SQL part. So SQL editor, online SQL, live SQL editor. So now this is outer query up to greater than any. We are using the set operator. Any we are going to call here as a set operator. So is a set op or AATO is a set operator. So any is going to be the set operator, and if you put in hyphen, double hyphen, we call it as a comment as of now. So we will hit up the run button and see what is going to happen here. So we are going to get this as 5 records. We'll be getting only the 5 cases they are going to fit. 58, 71, 74, 31 and 32. 31, 32, 58, 71 and 70. So this is how we are going to show up the results to the values. Next one was we need to use find the Siler whose rating is better than every Siler called as Pareto. What was the earlier question? We should understand at this point. What was the difference of asking the questions, previous question and present question? In the previous question, we are going to have any. In this question, we are going to have the all. So any and all, we call it as set operators. We are going to call them as set operators. All, it applies and any, it is going to apply a logical and it is applying the logical or. So that is the key takeaway what we are going to check up. So find the Silers, names, etc. Who is better than. Here we have some. Here we are going to have everything. So this is the key takeaway what we should understand here. So we get the word called as sum. We get the word called as every. So only this is the significance we need to understand as of now. Okay. So this was the key significance, sum and every. So only this change has to be noted as of this case. So we have sum here and we have every here. So here we can use any operator and every we call na. So we are going to use the or operator. Only that difference has to be highlighted. So when I am working with this exercise, we have in the first case, we have the first case as 31, 32, 58, 31, 32, 58, 71 and 74. 58, 71 and 74. This is Pareto 64, rating greater than 7. Next was 74 Horatio, whose rating greater than 9. At this case, we have only the two options, that was 58 and 71. That was 58 and 71. So 58, and 71. Now we have to apply the AND function. We have to apply the AND function. So when we put up this value, we have 58 and 71 as a common, 31, 32 and 74 are left alone. So now we can see that the intersect part must be considered. The intercepted part must be considered. So as of now, we have 51 and 71. So 51 and 71 is going to be the two tuples. So we are going to expect the answer. So when we get this 58, that is Rusty, and 71, it is Zor. It is Zor. So we should get the answer with two records. That is two records. That is 58, 71. So that is the thing what we are going to expect. So we will just take up the query for execution, move it to the SQL part towards execution. So I can write any and all. Any we are going to this time total form, right? We are bringing up this query here. So again, it is a model of nested queries. The things which are going to be in the all part will execute first, and the things which are at the next, they execute to the rest. These are going to be the inputs. This is a form of nested query. Nested query. So name is equals to Pareto. That is, all should satisfy 58, all should satisfy 58, 71. All should satisfy the conditions of rating, that is 7 and 9. So obviously it should be greater than 7 and greater than 9 if such is the case. So we will get only 58 and 71 from this model. Okay. Just hit on the run button, hitting on the run button. So we will be getting 71 and 58. 71 and 58. So this is how we deal with the set operators. So in general, set operators, they stand with the logical AND and OR. So that is what the exercise from experiment number 3.